Welcome to Always Alyssa. I have my adorable little baby sister Chloe here to do a video with me. Say hi, everybody. So we're going to be sharing with you guys our spring night routine together, and the first thing is to eat dinner. So I already ate, but I'm going to show you Chloe's dinner. She's having a piece of bread. I just tore it in a bunch of pieces so she doesn't choke because, you know, I'm just a great sister. But are you enjoying your dinner, Chloe? Is it really good? Yeah? You really like it? I think she likes it. Whoa, you do like it, huh? It's really yummy. I think one of her favorite foods is bread because she loves it every time we feed it to her. It's good, huh? Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Really? We can do that? While Chloe eats her dinner, I'm gonna get some studying done because I have some homework and stuff to do. So I'm gonna do that right now. I finished studying and Chloe ate all her bread, and for the next part of my routine, I'm going to practice my guitar with Chloe. Okay, Chloe, are you ready? Are you guys gonna practice some guitar? Are you gonna be my singer? Is that why you're holding a microphone? Yeah? Look, she has a makeup microphone. That's so cute. Yeah. Anyways, let's see. I have a couple songs I'm just gonna practice for a few minutes. Yeah? Having fun? Let's see. Let's see if it's in tune. There we go. Where are you going? What are you doing? Are you just exploring my room while I practice? Are you getting into trouble? I'm also gonna practice some hi. Oh my gosh, look at you standing up. Oh my gosh, look, she's standing up with no hands. You are advancing really quickly. Anyways, I think I'm gonna practice a little bit of electric guitar too because it is different than acoustic, but it's also my brother's guitar, so I have to steal it when I want to practice it occasionally, but that's okay. He says I can. Oh, look at you standing. Hey, you're trying to steal my capo. Don't get into trouble. Let's see if it's in tune. A little tune up. Are you chewing on that now? Does that metal taste really good? Yeah? I guess everything tastes good to a baby. Okay, let's see. Now that, hey, where are you going? What are you doing back there? So now that I am done practicing guitar, Chloe and I are gonna pick out our pajamas. I'm gonna pick out mine first. I've got a lot of options, Chloe. Which one should I do? There's a lot in here, but there's also some in the other drawer. You like that one? Oh, you want me to wear this one? Okay, I can wear those. That's shorts though, so I'm gonna need a shirt too. Can you pick out my shirt? You want me to wear the pink one? Actually, that's a pretty good choice. I think that'll match well. Good choice, Chloe. Okay, Chloe, stay right here while I get dressed. Okay, I got my pajamas on. They actually do match pretty well, the teal with the pink, but since it's kind of chilly, I am gonna put on a sweatshirt. Hey, Chloe, what are you doing? Are you trashing my closet? Hey, how did you get all the way from the plant? Oh, it looks like she knocked over the plant too. You got all the way over from the plant to here. How did you get that far? Looks like I'm gonna have to watch you more closely. Now we have to go pick out Chloe's pajamas. I think that she should wear these ones just because they are pink and they're pretty cute. What do you think? Should you wear these ones? Is this a good choice? Yeah? Okay, I agree. She's all dressed. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Are you trying to get a pluggy? Look at you, so clever. She even knew where they were. Well, she's all dressed in her pajamas. Let's go back to my room, okay? Are you brushing your hair? Look at you. I let her have my hair brush. Now she's just playing around on my bed. But before I started filming, she was like actually brushing her hair. It was so cute. So a lot of the time during my night routine, especially in the springtime, you know how everyone says like spring cleaning? It is true though. I do like to clean my room a lot in the spring, so I'm gonna do a little tidy of my room right now and for my studio. First things first, I'm gonna fold this blanket up. Hi. Got that all folded up. Let's just put it over here right under this little fox pillow. There we go. These pipe cleaners need to be cleaned up. I don't know why they're even there. Some dirty clothes. Okay, I've been meaning to put these away for a while, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Oh, it looks like Chloe has found a treasure. What's in your hand? What is that? Oh, she found some glow sticks. I kind of forgot I had those. Hey, are you trying to put those in the laundry bin? You better not. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? What are you doing? Are you gonna stand? Are you trying to see what's inside? You're so silly. Chloe is very unpredictable. You never know what she's gonna do next. Are you helping me tidy up? Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Whoa. I don't know why this hairbrush is on the floor, but let's pick this up too. Okay, now that I've tidied up a little bit, I'm gonna start my skincare routine for the night. I have Chloe on my counter here. I don't know what she's doing. Oh, she found my remote. But I'm gonna start to do my skincare routine. Just gotta roll up my sleeves so I don't get my arms too wet. And I'm gonna really quickly put my hair back just so it doesn't get in the way. Hey, what are you touching? Careful with that. I don't want to take this out, just in case. Okay, I have my hair up. Let's put this on. Careful with the remote. Here you go. Yeah. What's this? What is that? You want to touch it? What is it? Yeah? I know, me too. It's for skincare. Okay, first I gotta get my face a little bit wet. So let's just do that. Oh, that feels good. Perfect. Okay, now. Also, I'm using Bubble Skincare, by the way, which I really like. I've been using it for like past couple weeks. Let's put a little bit of this. Whoa, what are you doing? She's getting too many ideas. She's able to stand now, so she can get into more trouble. Now I just gotta wash my face. I agree. Oh, that's better. Oh, I'm getting a little wet. That's alright. Okay, I just gotta put some of this on. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? No? You're not doing anything? I don't know if that's true. You're so silly. Hey. So funny because recently she learned how to do this. So now she does it all the time. Okay, now I just take this off. My face can start to dry. Let's brush my hair a little bit. Got a little bit tangled. Hey, you're making a little mess. That's okay. Here, here's your bunny. You don't want that here. Here's the remote. There you go, that's okay, I can clean it. Now that my face is dry, I'll put on some moisturizer. Did I see you shaking your head? Did I see you shaking your head? Look how pretty it comes out. It comes out in like a little like flower. It's so pretty. Hey, what you doing? She's like standing in my sink. Look. What are you doing? You look like you just got caught red-handed, Chloe. Okay, just gotta rub this moisturizer in and we'll be all done. It feels so soft. I love it. There we go. That's good. Hey, you found my perfume again. You want a little bit? Look. Want a little bit? smell good? Oh, she wants to eat it. Silly. Now that I've finished my skincare routine, I'm going to read a book to Chloe. Here's the one we picked out, the 5-Minute Princess Stories. I think she really likes these ones. Here, are you ready to read your book? Okay. Let's pick out a story. Snow White and her prince had recently been married, and they were living happily at the castle. The 7 dwarfs missed Snow White, but she made sure to visit them often. Why don't you come to the castle each day, Cinderella suggested. Then you can learn more about what princesses really do. Every afternoon, when Emma's lessons were over, she went to the castle. Did you like the stories? Yeah, you want to read more, huh? Hey, how did you get over there so fast? I was just putting your book away. Silly. Well, now we need to brush our teeth together. Here, you can use this toothbrush, Chloe. Just take out your pluggy. Okay, brush your teeth. I'm gonna brush mine too. We're brushing our teeth together. She'll get better at it. Good job, Chloe. I know you only have 2 teeth to brush, but that's okay. Look at the little teeth. Good job. Let's brush your little baby teeth, okay? Yeah? Do you want to brush them? Good job. You look like a big girl brushing your teeth now. Yeah? Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Good job, Chloe. You did a good job brushing your teeth. I know you want to brush more, huh? Well, now that we've both brushed our teeth, it's almost time to get ready for bed. Are you ready to go to bed, Chloe? I know, you have so much energy. You could just stay up like all night just playing. Isn't that true? She's just looking at everything in my bathroom that she could trash or destroy or just play with. Yeah? Is that what you're doing? You just want to explore? Makes sense. Well, even if you don't want to go to bed, you have to go to bed eventually. What are you looking at? You saw the chandelier? That was so cute. Are you looking at it? That was adorable. Okay, I'm gonna put you on the bed, okay? And then I'm going to take all my pillows off. I usually like to do this one pillow at a time because I have a lot, and I usually put them in the same spot right there. Like every single night, they're in the same spot. That's easy to remember. And they go good here because usually I step out of my bed right here. So if I put them here, then they're out of the way, you know? And I try to keep them as organized as possible just so they look nice. Okay, please don't judge my Christmas sheets. I haven't changed them yet, but don't worry, I'm going to soon. So even though I have 2 of these pillows, I usually put one there and, hey, what are you doing? And I usually just sleep with one. So I'll put this one right here. Ooh, a lot of blankets in here. I know, it's a little messy. But usually I'll put that right there. And this is the blanket I usually sleep with, like with my arms, because I like to keep super warm with a bunch of blankets. So I put this one at the top here. It's very specific. But this is how my area usually looks. I got water, because I always get thirsty in the middle of the night, and then chapstick, some lotion, and a couple different eye masks in this little like reading light. And then I always put this blanket here because it's pretty thick. And like I said, I like to sleep with a lot of blankets. And usually this pink one goes on top for another layer. Okay, Chloe, I know as much as you love exploring my room, you do have to go to bed. Okay, Chloe, let's put you in your bed. I know you don't want to go to sleep, but it's okay. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Good night, Chloe. Good night. Okay, I'm in my room now. I'm definitely gonna go to bed because I am actually pretty tired. So I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.